Hello everyone, today I'm going to share a day of my life, but every day is not same. It's the morning, I'm making breakfast. There's egg and waffle for Safwan and Mahira. After breakfast, I'm going to wash the old dishes and clean the whole kitchen and look after Safwan and Mahira. Every day is different. Someday I just leave the old dishes and do something else, and then someday I just make everything nice and clean. So now you can see that I'm cleaning and washing my dishes. There's quite a lot of dish. It's not gonna take that much time. After that, I'm gonna clean everything, cooker and everything, hoovering, floor cleaning. It's nearly finished. All the dishes when I'm finished. After that, I have to clean the sink as well. If we don't clean the sink, it smells. So every day I have to clean the sink. It's nice to see everything look nice, clean and neat, and I love it. It's finished. Now I'm gonna have to hoover in Mahir and Safwan's room. That's why I'm hoovering. Just don't take that long to hoovering. It's easy. It's not that dirty as well. I keep cleaning everything, so everything's nice and clean. In the morning when they wake up, I have to make the bed. That's nice. Keep yourself active, but every day is not the same. Sometimes you go out if you don't have anything to do, just sit and watch TV. And after the hoovering, I'm gonna make some lunch. Today I made some pasta, tuna pasta. It's nice with pasta sauce. When they eat it, I gave you cheese, grated cheese. It's really nice. Nice and cheesy. So I'm gonna show you a quick habibi steak recipe. This is a chicken, so I'm giving some I cut it really nicely, thin slices, and I'm adding some barbecue sauce and vinegar. That's it, nothing else. The marinated barbecue sauce and vinegar. After that, hold the pan, give a tiny bit of oil, and give the chicken a spread all over. Then it will get cooked quickly. This whole breast piece is thin slices. It's covering it, let it cook. After 10 minutes, slow cook, uncover it and do upside down very gently, otherwise the wood is going to flash on you. It doesn't matter if it's separated or you can do it properly, as soon as it needs to be cooked. And then I'm going to cover it again and let the water go, let the water completely disappear. Then after that, I'm going to add cheese top of it. So water disappeared, I'm adding cheese. There's no sauce, nothing. Just marinated so barbecue sauce and vinegar, and then now I'm adding the cheese, and then let it really less gas, let that cheese disappear, let the cheese melted. and I'm making some green beans stir fry with salt and pepper with my butter spread, and I add 1 tomato cut in half. I'm just roasting it together. So just nicely smell coming out. This butter spray and salt and pepper. When the roasting is done, leave it on the side, and then empty pan, pour some milk, and then the pepper sauce. It's really nice, this sauce, I love it. I keep stirring. It's served for 2, so I made half milk and half pepper sauce powder. Just mixing it, for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, it will start thickening. There you are. You can see it's gone thick. It's ready. Okay, I'm serving with some sauce, pepper sauce, tomatoes, green peas, and some chips. For later on, the evening time, I made some keema with mixed vegetable. So I really get tired the evening time. So just sitting down, trying to make some samosas. I make quite a lot of samosas. My hero helping me as well. Just making some samosas. After the extra samosas, I'm going to freeze it. As soon as I'm sleeping, just making samosa, otherwise he's going to disturb us. He's not letting us to make anything. You can't do anything in evening time, so you feel so tired. So I'm freezing some here. It's the evening time. I've fried some. I'm having a tea. It's really nice. And the dinner food, I made curry. We're gonna have with rice. That is it. All day of mine. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. See you later. Bye.